Dear fans of the brand, this is it, the flagship of the BMW M Motorsport lineup, the all-new M4 GT3. This is the result of very hard work and focus of the past months. We were aiming to develop a brand new, reliable, predictable and highly performant race car. We will take orders from now. The cars will be delivered in Q4 and the first full race season will be 2022. We will see some test events, test races this year, and we have limited stock available. The car is new, the engine is new. It's the P58, directly derived from the M4's S58 engine. The race engine has 590 horsepower at below 1300 kilograms. Easy to maintain, very low running costs, and for me, a fascinating, absolutely fascinating engine. We talked about easy to maintain and easy to operate. I would like to show you how easy it is to change settings at the new BMW M track cockpit. We'll hop inside and I'll show you. One of the very unique features of the M4 GT3 is the BMW M track cockpit. You can do failure analysis, system checks. You can do everything to control the car without a laptop from inside using the display and the buttons on the steering wheel. To demonstrate how easy this works, we can try to set the pit speed limiter together. With just one button, to get into the M-Track cockpit. On the left side, you can go through the different menu items, speed controller, confirm, pit speed limiter speed, confirm, 60, confirm, exit. That's it. That's how easy it works. I think that's a huge help for anyone, for all of our teams to operate such a car at the racetrack, in the box. For me, a great gain and improvement.